Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to play Roblox on your Vizio TV. So spoiler, it's not in the Vizio App Store, but I will show you two easy workarounds, so let's dive in. First up, screen mirroring. Grab your phone or tablet, then step 1, make sure your Vizio TV and device are on the same Wi-Fi network. Step 2, on your Vizio remote, press the input button, then select screen mirroring. Step 3, on your iPhone, swipe down, then tap screen mirroring. Choose your Vizio TV. If it's Android, open quick settings, then smart view or cast, then select your TV. Step 4, open Roblox, play any game, and boom, it's on your big screen. So no phone, no problem. Use a streaming device like a Fire Stick, Roku, or Chromecast. Step 1, plug your device into the Vizio TV's HDMI port. Then step 2, set it up, then download the Roblox app from its store, example Amazon App Store or Fire Stick. Step 3, log into Roblox, grab a controller and play. Pro tip, use a Bluetooth controller, Xbox or PS5 or a USB keyboard or mouse for better gameplay. If it's lagging, try this. Moving your router closer to the TV, or closing apps running in the background, or using a 5GHz Wi-Fi band for faster speeds. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.